The pace of change in IT is relentless and accelerating. SAP systems are no exception. However, for most CIOs, experience has taught them that the cost of change of an SAP ERP system is high, and it can be extremely disruptive to the business. In addition, many companies have heavily customized their legacy SAP systems, especially those still running older versions like SAP ECC. And over time, these customizations have really piled up. It's not uncommon to see tens of thousands of custom objects in a single environment. So, how can an enterprise take on the increased pace of change and access their continuous innovation without the high costs? SAP recommends a move to Clean Core. Clean Core is about removing the obstacles to change that can exist in many current landscapes. And it includes key dimensions in the SAP landscape like the software stack, extensibility, integrations, data, and processes. This can be a daunting challenge, though, and this is when the global systems integrators, or GSIs, that are supporting these clients step in and offer to handle the untangling of the complexities and clear the way for modernization and innovation. But this results in charges of tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars for increases in time and people costs to clean up outdated code and long-standing, often dysfunctional business processes. Thanks to recent advancements in technology, a tool has emerged designed specifically to handle the complexity and help you modernize your SAP systems. That tool is generative AI, seemingly purpose-built to handle the complexity inherent to deeply customized SAP environments that have thousands of custom objects, interwoven processes, and massive volumes that have to be analyzed in action. But how do you handle the complexity in these systems and the massive challenge of untangling them and then modernize and transform them to get a clean core? That solution is Lemongrass's LCP Clean Core AI. At Lemongrass, we approach SAP transformation differently. We're not a massive consultancy. We're a specialized team, and we believe in transformation through technology. We have built an AI-powered platform that has been trained on millions of documents, including 20 years of SAP release notes, guides, resources, and future roadmaps. It also works in combination with tools from SAP's business transformation stack, such as Signavio and LeanIX, with the ability to integrate with Joule as SAP releases more and more skills. Our AI analyzes everything in your environment, including all your custom code and business processes, and then maps and groups it all, showing you how it all connects across your SAP landscape. It evaluates each piece of custom code, determining things like, is it still used? Is it still relevant? Should it be retired to reduce technical debt? After the analysis is completed, the AI generates an editable, human-readable functional spec for each custom item, ready for you to review, refine, and use to guide your decisions. It also highlights legacy customizations that have been replaced by SAP standard features and finds standardized alternatives, saving you time, cost, and risk. With this clarity, you can now explore modernization. For example, rehosting code outside the core system, where it runs independently and then is phased out when the time is right. In addition, our structured specs and AI insights let you refactor old code into cloud-native apps on SAP BTP. Now you have SAP-aware code that remains scalable and compatible as SAP evolves. This is how you future-proof your architecture and align with SAP's vision of a clean core and flexible, extensible platforms. Talk to the experts at Lemongrass and let us show you how LCP Clean Core AI solutions can put you in the fast lane to a simple, stable, and cloud-ready SAP landscape.